heading back out to the spillway that I was at yesterday. I went late morning, almost noon, and there was 30 to 40-inch snook everywhere, like dozens of them. And you could throw any lure you wanted in front of them, and they would look the other way. I had one chase down my live target, golden shiner, and as soon as it got close, he swam off. So I went back with live shiners, and I managed to get a 18-inch and a 23-inch, but none of the overslots. So I'm going back this morning. Hopefully, with the sun coming up, they'll be biting, and it'll be a good time. So I got the chest mount for the GoPro, and let's see if we can get a slot or an overslot today. Well, it looks like the water has come up about 6 inches from where it was yesterday. That water's been flowing heavy. So those stones, all those square stones, were out of the water yesterday. So we'll see how it is this morning. First shiner on the line. See if they're out here. That one. Kind of small, I think. Barely hooked. Damn, not as small as I thought. Let's go measure them, see what we got. There's a slot snook right below me. I got my shiner right in front of him, and he ain't even looking at it. Wow. They're coming out though. I see them feeding everywhere. Got one on. Wasn't really paying attention. My drag was loose as shit. A little bit smaller than the last one, maybe. Let's go check them out, just for the hell of it. Eh, 21 and a half.